How to use Pinterest Trends tool. To use the Pinterest Trends tool, first of all, go ahead and then launch any web browser of your choice. Then open the Pinterest website on your device because this feature is not yet available within the application itself. So you have to open the desktop site. Once you open it, all you have to do is from there navigate directly to the Pinterest Trends Hub. From that dashboard, look at the region drop-down menu in the upper left section of the page. Select your target geographic market such as United Kingdom, US, or Canada to isolate the local search habits. However, I cannot access the website application because I've installed the Pinterest application. So you have to make sure that you uninstall the application first of all, then access the website version. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.